the McLaren 650S. Lighter than a Volkswagen Golf, but with enough brake horsepower to create its own personal nuclear holocaust.
Damn, this thing's fast.
Using technology harnessed from McLaren's Formula One team, it produces a blistering 0 to 100 miles per hour time of just 5.7 seconds. But how is this possible? How have McLaren managed to achieve such breathtaking records in 5 years since they entered the supercar market? Well, let's take a look at the engine. The 3.8 litre V8 twin turbo produces a beastly 641 brake horsepower. Stopping is achieved by the now standard carbon ceramic brakes measuring 394mm at the front and 380mm at the rear. When McLaren entered the supercar world, they didn't come to just take part. They came to take over.